Okay, now that the October 15th deadline has passed, let's talk about what actually happens if you don't file your taxes. Like, what if you just don't? Do IRS agents rappel through your window? Do alarms go off at midnight? Not exactly, but it's definitely something you don't want to play around with. Here's the deal. If you owe taxes and you don't file, the IRS will hit you with something called a failure to file penalty. That's 5% of your unpaid taxes per month, up to 25%. So if you owed $1,000 and you ghosted them for 5 months, that's an extra $250 gone. And that's before they even start charging interest. Now, if you filed but you don't pay, that's a different penalty, which is 0.5% per month, way smaller. So ironically, it's better to file on time and pay later than just disappear entirely. But let's say that you don't file at all. After a while, the IRS might do something called a substitute for return, or SFR. Basically, they file your taxes for you, but here's the catch. They don't include your deductions or credits. They'll just take your income information straight from your W-2s and 1099s and assume that you owe the maximum. Imagine your worst possible tax scenario. That's what they'll use. And once that happens, they'll start collection actions. That could mean levying your bank accounts, garnishing wages, or putting a lien on your property. It's not immediate, but it's real. Now, if you genuinely can't pay, there are options. You can ask for an extension to file before the April 15th deadline, set up a payment plan, or even apply for hardship status if you're in financial trouble. And here's the real kicker. If you haven't filed for multiple years, you can usually still catch up. There's no statute of limitation for unfiled returns, but once you file, the clock starts ticking on penalties and collection limits. And if you're owed a refund, you have 3 years to claim it. After that, the money's gone forever. So yeah, skipping taxes doesn't lead to handcuffs overnight, but it's kind of like ignoring a parking ticket that slowly turns into a boot on your car. Moral of the story, even if you can't pay, file anyway. Keep the IRS in the loop. It's way easier to deal with paperwork than panic later. File early, sleep better. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tax tips. And if you're ready to go deeper, check out my courses and consultations. The link is in my bio. Financial literacy for a brighter future.